Hi, this is Easy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to hide Instagram page on your Threads profile. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! On my previous video, I've shown you how to show Instagram page on your Threads profile. And in this video, I will show you how to hide it. Maybe you change your mind, you want to hide your Instagram profile from people on Threads. So you want to hide the page so no one can visit your Instagram profile when they visit your Threads. So first of all, of course, you have to open your Threads. Now you can tap on your profile. As you can see, there's an Instagram page. So when someone visits my profile and tap on the page, they will go into my Instagram profile. To hide this, you can just tap on the edit profile. As you can see, show Instagram page is active. When turned off, the thread page on your Instagram profile will be also disappear. You can just tap on the toggle. So now you can tap on done on the upper right corner here. And now you can see there's no more Instagram page on your Threads profile. And also on your Instagram profile that's connected with your Threads, there's no more your Threads page on your Instagram profile. So that is how to hide Threads Instagram page on your Threads profile. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!